my God. Morning, everyone. Excited to walk you through the platform today. So let's...
Yeah, quick question from me before we start.
Questions already. Yeah, let's go for it.
How does your Salesforce integration handle custom objects?
Great question. Perfect. So the way to think about integrations. Yeah, I might take that one offline, actually. Probably best as a follow-up to what you said. Is there any more questions before we... Yeah.
How are you handling field level permissions during bi-directional sync across multiple objects?
Absolutely. They are handled like the best of them. And we don't drop the ball. We won't drop your balls. New question.
How are you handling SSO?
SSO.
SSO?
SSO.
SSO?
So good.
Using what protocol?
Using the...
How does your API rate limiting work?
I've seen it in action and I was like, wow, is this? How does it work? I had as many questions as you.
What does that mean?
Boggles the mind.
We need these questions answering.
Isn't it sometimes, all these questions?
Do you integrate with our existing stack?
This is the thing.
What kind of support do you offer? How do you handle security and compliance?
What's included in the enterprise plan?
What does the roadmap look like?
Could we just...
How do you measure success with customers?
One Mind's ride-along superhuman AI has joined the call and can answer all of your questions in real time. Why don't you give it a go?
How are you handling SSO?
We fully support SSO, so your team can use your existing company login setup without needing separate passwords. From an IT and security standpoint, that means that access stays centrally managed and aligned with your existing security policies and compliance requirements. It's a pretty straightforward setup on our side.